Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to buy and sell stock directly on TradingView. Whether you're brand new to trading or just want to see how it's done on this platform, by the end of this video, you'll feel confident placing your very first order. Let's jump right in and get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is head to the top of your TradingView screen, right where it says Symbol Search. This is basically your gateway to the entire stock market. Imagine it like the search bar on Netflix, but for stocks. Click into that box and then make sure to select Stock from the tabs so you're not accidentally searching for cryptocurrencies or forex pairs. From here, you can either scroll through the list or, to make things quicker, just type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock you're interested in. For example, let's say you want to trade Tesla, just type in TSLA. This will pull up Tesla's live chart and you're ready for the next step. Now, once you've got your chosen stock loaded up, look for the Trade button below the chart. Go ahead and click that. This action brings up the trade ticket, your main control panel for placing both buy and sell orders. You'll see two big buttons, one for buying and one for selling. And of course, which one you choose depends on whether you want to get into the stock or exit your position. For today, let's look at how you'd buy first. Before you confirm anything, take a moment to notice the order type options. Market, limit, or stop. This is where having a little knowledge pays off. A market order means you'll buy right away at the best available current price. It's fast, kind of like grabbing the first item off the shelf. A limit order lets you choose the price you're willing to pay, so your trade only goes through if the stock hits that price. For example, if Tesla's trading at $700 but you only want to buy if it drops to $680, a limit order gets that done for you. The stop order comes in handy if you want to buy when the price rises above a certain point, maybe as a signal that momentum is picking up. Each has its uses, depending on your trading strategy. Next, you'll tell TradingView how many shares you want to buy. Type in that number and remember, start small if you're just getting familiar, there's no rush. Right below that, you'll see options for taking profit and setting a stop loss. These are your risk controls, and trust me, they're worth using. Take profit is like setting a goal. You're telling TradingView to sell your shares once the price reaches a level you're happy with. Stop loss, on the other hand, is your safety net. It'll automatically sell your position if the price drops too far, helping protect your hard-earned cash from big swings. Once you've set everything up the way you want, double-check the details. Make sure the share amount, order type, and profit-loss settings all look good. Then the final step, click the buy or sell button at the bottom depending on your goal, and that's it, you've just placed your order. You might need to wait a moment for it to fill, especially if you chose a limit or stop order, but don't worry, TradingView will notify you. And there we go. You're now ready to buy and sell stocks on TradingView right from your chart. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about the process, leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy trading.